Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Activities by Rosh Ron Rocks. Today I'm drawing Lord Shiva, also known as Mahadev. Lord Shiva is one of the main gods of Hinduism. He is known as the remover of negativity and the symbol of transformation. Lord Shiva teaches us to stay calm, kind, and strong no matter what happens around us. Let me tell you some beautiful stories of Lord Shiva. Do you know the story of Maha Shivratri? Long, long ago, Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu saw something very mysterious. In front of them appeared a giant pillar of bright light. It was shining so strongly that it seemed to go up beyond the sky and down deep into the earth at the same time. They were very curious. Lord Brahma said, I will fly upward and find where this light ends. Lord Vishnu said that I will go downward and find where it begins. So they searched and searched for a very long time. But no matter how far they went, they could not find the start or end of the light. Finally, they realized the truth. The endless pillar of light was Lord Shiva himself, infinite, powerful, and beyond limits. This special night became known as Maha Shivratri, the night when we remember that Shiva is endless. Devotees pray, meditate, and chant on this night to feel peaceful and close to Him. There is another amazing story. Have you ever noticed that Lord Shiva has a blue throat? Because of this, he is called Neelkant, which means the blue throated one. This story happened during an event called Samudra Manthan, or the churning of the ocean. The gods and demons work together to churn the cosmic ocean to get a magical nectar, Amrit, that could make them immortal. They used a mountain as the churning stick and a giant serpent as the rope. But before the nectar appeared, something very dangerous came out. A dark and deadly poison spread into the air. It was so powerful that it could destroy all living beings. Everyone became frightened. The gods quickly prayed to Lord Shiva for help. Seeing the danger, Shiva did something very brave to save the world. He gathered the poison and drank it. But Goddess Parvati loved Shiva deeply and wanted to protect him. So she gently held his throat so the poison would not spread inside his body. The poison stayed in his throat and turned it blue. From that day, Shiva became known as Neelkant. This story teaches us a very important lesson. True heroes protect others even when it is difficult. Mahashivratri is also believed to be the night when Lord Shiva married Goddess Parvati. Goddess Parvati admired Shiva's wisdom and peaceful nature. She prayed and meditated for many years with great patience and devotion. It reminds us that when we work with sincerity and patience, good things come to us. Now, let's explore the special symbols of Lord Shiva. Each one has a meaning and a lesson for us. The moon represents time. By wearing it, Shiva shows that he is the master of time. It reminds us to not worry too much about the past or future, but to stay calm in the present. Next is the holy river Ganga flowing from his hair. Ganga represents purity and knowledge, just like a river washes away dirt. We should wash away negative thoughts and keep our minds clean and kind. Then comes the snake around his neck. The snake represents fearlessness and control over ego. Shiva's third eye is not for seeing the outside world, but for understanding truth and wisdom. It reminds us to look beyond appearances and understand what is right. The sacred ash, also called Vibhati, reminds us that everything material is temporary. Toys, clothes, and money do not last forever, but our kindness, honesty, and good actions are what truly matter. Lord Shiva teaches us to stay peaceful even when life is noisy. He teaches us to be strong but gentle. He teaches us to help others and control our anger. And most importantly, he teaches us to find goodness within ourselves. As we remember these beautiful stories, the infinite pillar of light, the blue throat of Neelkant, the loving union of Shiva and Parvati, and the meaningful symbols he carries, may we also try to practice these lessons in our daily life. Let us be calm like Shiva. Let us be brave like Shiva. Let us be kind like Shiva. Thank you for listening and being a part of this peaceful journey. We'll be back with another video soon. Thank you.